Hello everyone! This is the PNA, an agricultural planer ideal for the construction of roads, channels for the drainage of rainwater, landfills, and the like. It is sold in models 3000 and 5000. Now for some important technical information. Frame. Articulation cylinder. Lift cylinder. Hitch. Tire. Blade. To facilitate loading and transport, the PNA leaves the factory disassembled. When you receive your PNA, follow these guidelines to get it ready for the first use. To mount the blade, attach the rear support to the upright. Fix the hydraulic cylinder on the rear support. Attach the blade to the mullion. Finish by placing the hydraulic cylinder rod on the blade. Attach the wheel support to the upright. Attach the base of the hydraulic cylinder to the upright. And insert the rod in the wheel support. Then attach the tires to the wheel support. Attach the base of the hydraulic cylinders to the upstream. And the rod on the blade. Couple the hitch onto the riser. Attach the PNA to the hitch. Level the header in relation to the tractor hitch. Slowly bring the tractor to the planer in reverse gear. Couple the PNA to the tractor. Finish by coupling the hydraulic hoses to the tractor quick coupler. Make it level. Place the tractor on a flat location. Level the planer using the hydraulic cylinder. Observe the longitudinal leveling from the side. The plane must be parallel to the ground. If necessary, calibrate the tires as instructed. Lubricate the points indicated in the instruction manual. It's ready! See how the planer arrives and how it should look after you have completed the assembly. Now let's learn some adjustment possibilities that the planer has. To prepare the PNA for transport, operate the wheel axle hydraulic cylinder to lift the machine. Fully rotate the blade to one side. To prepare the planer for work, rotate the blade to working position. Operate the wheel axle hydraulic cylinder to lower the machine. To adjust the horizontal angle of the PNA blade cut, activate the hydraulic cylinder to raise the PNA until the blade clears the ground. Use the blade hydraulic cylinder to move the blade to the desired position. Finish by operating the hydraulic cylinder again to lower the blade to the ground. To adjust the vertical cutting angle of the PNA blade, activate the hydraulic cylinders through the tractor's hydraulic command, making the blade go up and down at the desired angle. Here are some important tips to prolong the life of your PNA. The PNA has options that can be purchased according to your needs. Let's take a look. An iron wheel for the PNA 3000. Triple command. Transport kit for the PNA 3000 with iron wheel. Electric directional valve. Hydraulic slewing system. Always consult a Baldan dealer to find out which options are best suited to your working condition. Your planer is unique, so it's important to keep your identification visible for any consultation, okay? The nameplate has model, serial number, manufacturing date, in addition to a QR code, which can be scanned with your cell phone and leads directly to the instruction manual, parts catalog, and this video. Oh, and so that no one is left without information, the PNA comes with a printed version of the manual that comes along with your invoice. Until next time, everyone.